What's up, Two Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm Two Fly B. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. As y'all seen by the title, we got another sunglass review. Sunglass B. I told you, I can't make this up. They don't call me Sunglass B for no reason. So without further ado, let's go and hop into the video. Alright, Two Fly fam, hopping into the box. We have a brown box. The top says Burberry in black. And the bottom just show you what type of sunglasses you got. Now I like this style of sunglass so much, I'm not gonna lie. I have 3 pair of sunglasses in this style, just different colorways. So this is the case that they come in. As y'all see, on the front it says Burberry. We have a branded cleaning cloth, brown to go with the box. It says Burberry in black. And then we have the brown Burberry authentication booklet. And that's it, that's in the box. Inside the box, it's kind of like a mint green color. Nice size box. A lot of room. And this is the top, again, inside mint green. Let's get into the case. This is the Burberry case here. It says Burberry, London, England. Inside, mint green to go with the box. You have the sunglasses, and right there it says Burberry. And the inside, close this case up. Alright y'all, let's get into the sunglasses. The colorway says black, dark gray, and red. Alright y'all, here's your sunglasses. Yes sir. Hey, these are tough. Not gonna hold you. Can't make it up. Y'all seeing the different colorways. Y'all seeing like this brown on the top, the red on the nose brim, on the back. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up to this 360 so we can get into the details. Okay, Two Fly fam, coming straight into the sunglasses. It's nothing on the lens. This is kind of like a shield pair of sunglasses. Kind of resembles the pair of Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses that I reviewed. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out once you get done watching this video. But it's black on the front. We have brown on the top, red on the nose brim. On the right arm is matte black, and it has Burberry in red, as you can see. On the inside of the right arm, it says Burberry made in Italy in white. I like on this pair that on the left side, it also says Burberry again. So it's on both sides of the sunglasses, and that's in red on this matte black arm. And on the inside of the left arm, it just has serial numbers in white. Nothing much over here. Under the glasses is nothing. Above it is nothing. The only branding on it is on the outside and then the inside of the sunglasses. And I like the matte black arms. Yes, if you have like oily fingers, if you like, you know, lotion up your hands or anything like that and touch it right after, you know, it will leave like fingerprints, but it's okay. You just get a cleaning cloth and just wipe it down and come off with no problem. Now y'all, I was wearing this black and red outfit, so I needed a pair of black and red sunglasses, but I didn't want it to be too much red. And this is my 3rd colorway of this pair of sunglasses that I have. So I knew I liked this, and when I seen they had the red, I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and get it. So let me try these sunglasses on so y'all can see how these look on. Enough talking, let's get into it. These are a nice pair of sunglasses. Man, I just love how this frame sits on my face, which is why, like I said, I bought 3 pairs of these sunglasses. Stay tuned, because just I'm reviewing them all back to back to back. But this is how it looks from the front. You see the red on the nose brim, the brown. I feel like it kind of go with my skin complexion, so I like the brown effect. At first, you know, I don't understand why they threw brown on this pair of sunglasses. I think it's like real odd, but nonetheless, man, I copped them. I like them still. I'm still gonna wear them. On the right, I turn to the left. On the right, this is how it looks from my right profile. I turn to the right. This is how my left profile looks. See the Burberry on the left, and I don't want the light in the sunglasses, so that's why I'm looking down so y'all can still see them. But like I just told y'all, I like these sunglasses a lot. I did a review just in case if anybody like these, was thinking about them or wanted to know about them, didn't even know about them. Now y'all do, you know, just to help out, let y'all know about them. Alright, Two Fly fam, that's it for the review on this colorway of these Burberry sunglasses. Like I said in the comments down below, let me know how y'all feel about them. Let me know y'all opinions. Y'all know we don't take nothing personal over here, so it's cool. Shout out to our new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that rock with me. Shout out to everybody who been sticking with me. I appreciate y'all. Let's stay connected on social medias. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Get up to y'all next video. Be smooth.